A Tesla Model S P85 was strapped with jet engines to the back of the electric vehicle. Do the jet engines give a performance boost, or are they pointless to have? The idea of what an electric vehicle that gets extra propulsion not via more torque sent to the wheels is quite intriguing. The Custom A featuring 3 small jet engines were fitted onto the back of the car. The whole setup is well designed and can be controlled seamlessly from within the car. The jet engines definitely boosted the acceleration of the Model S, shaving a good second when it came to 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time. With all the engines at work, the Tesla EV touched the speed of 60 miles per hour by less than 1 second compared to the previously noted time, which is quite impressive. The system uses about 1 to 1.5 gallons of hydrodiesel fuel per minute. Attaching jet thrusters to the EV indeed shows that it contributes towards an improved acceleration.